Hello, awesome viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can perform memory forensics using volatility. For that, guys, I have to join this room, memory forensics room. So I'll be having 4 tasks today. So task 1 is introduction, task 2 is login, task 3 is analysis, task 4 is type crypt. Okay. First will be introduction. Perform memory forensics to find the flags. Maybe check out volatility room first. If you have volatility, if you're a premium subscriber, you can use volatility. Before that, we'll also download volatility. Download. Here are some of the links which you can use. Volatility wiki, cheat sheet, room icon credit. You just have to click on complete for you to complete. Just type volatility standalone download. You can go to this release of volatility 2.6. You can download the volatility releases. We can download the zip version for Windows 64-bit, volatility 64. And also parallelly, you can click on here, login, and just have to understand this. The forensic investigator on site has performed the initial forensic analysis of John's computer, handed you the dump, he generated the computer on the computer. As a secondary forensic investigator, it's up to you to find the required information in the memory dump. So these are the task files. So these files are the memory dump of the John's computer. Okay. Just click on the task files to be downloaded. Okay. Now let us extract the volatility. So now, volatility 2.6, go inside it. You should be able to find the standalone.exe. So let me just copy this and let me go to volatility. Let me paste it here and let me rename this volatility 2.6 win64 to just volatility. Okay. So we'll see through commands now. Okay. So just let me open command prompt here. Just type cmd. So just type the command volatility -f space. You can use this memory dump. Right click, Control C, space Control V, dot, it is VMEM, okay? Dot VMEM, space image info. Enter. Let's see what exactly is the information which we get. So what is the first thing we have to see? The first thing we have to see is what is the John's password. So it is trying to determine the profile based on KDBG search. This is how you can easily read the memory dump. Now, so we have got this suggested profile as Win7SP1X64. So let us see for this suggested profile. Let me just copy this. So instead of message info, I'll just write minus profile equal to. So I'll type this one, the profile, and I want hash dump. Okay. Let's see what exactly is there in this profile, and we want the password of John. So now we have got the John password. John has this password, but it is all hashed. Okay. Now we'll see another command. I'll add this command in the description. You don't have to worry on that. Just to try to understand how we are trying to solve this problem. There are X number of profiles. Okay. There are X number of profiles, but we are interested on this particular profile, which is administrator, guest, John, and home group user are there. So we're just interested in this user, John. Let's see. Okay. Just let us type the hash here and try to give the captcha 5Q TMVV. Submit and search. See, you found the hash key. So this is the password now. So this is the password which we got. Okay. Let me try to put that password here. Now click on submit. No, that's the correct answer. Let us go for third task 3. So when was the machine shut down the last time and what did John write? So these two things we have to understand what exactly are this. To do the analysis, download these files, and to do the truecrypt, download this file. Okay. Once you download it, we have to do few commands. Okay. The question was, when was the machine shut down? Okay. When was the machine shut down? For that, guys, we have to take this one. Let us rename the snapshots. Let us keep this one as 19, this one as 16. So it will be really, really helpful for us. And let us keep this one as 6. Okay. So after renaming those, we can easily write this. We have to write the extension also. Okay. Just click on here. Just type dot vmem. Just click on enter. See, we got the text you found me. Copy this text and you can paste it here. Okay. Then it will be a correct answer. This also you have to find. When was the machine shut down? For that, guys, just go here. Just type shut down time. Click on enter. It should give you the proper shutdown time. You can see the last about 20, 20, 12, 27, 22, 50, 12. That is the thing. 20, 20, 12, 27, 22, 50, 12. So these are the two correct answers. Okay. Now, you have to also understand what is the true crypt value. Okay. So let me put, instead of 19, we'll take 14. And instead of show time, let us put -h to see the tasks or to see the commands which will be used here. Okay. So let me copy this trycrypt passphrase. Just let me put it here. Let me add trycrypt passphrase. Now here you should get the answer. What exactly is the truecrypt passphrase here? So we got the truecrypt passphrase. It is forget me not. Just copy this and add it here. It is the correct answer. So now we have completed all the 4 tasks, guys. It is a very simple task. It is a very easy tutorial. So we have used volatility to take this memory dump and to find few of the forensics. In future, we'll see lot of tasks regarding this. So let us now see the few of the commands which we have to understand if you're doing the testing in volatility. Okay. In future, you might do the testing in volatility. So for each and every command, we can understand a lot of things. Okay. It's just a memory dump what we are taking. Snapshot sick.vm.em. It's one of the memory dump. Snapshot 19 and 14. Based on that, we have already found the answers. So here we are trying to see few of the commands which you have already seen. Okay. First, what we tried, we used image info, right? Where exactly is image info? It's here. What exactly is fine? It identifies the information of a image. Okay. So if I put here, what we did in the first thing, we tried to find the image information, right? So if I just navigate it here, it's a image info, right? Just I'll use the same command. Instead of -h, I'll just add image info. So there we got to know, like that we can use the commands. See here, I'll just press image info. So every time we are considering this as an image, click on it. Then we did lot of things, right? You can also use cache dump, dumps cache, hashes from the memory. You can also use CMD line. We can also use consoles. What I'm trying to say is when you're doing the testing in volatility, you can use all of this command. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.